I had such a dream last night. We were somewhere in the countryside, a place untouched and still, where the hills rose softly in the distance, and a pond of lotus glimmered under a patient sun. You were there with me. The sun poured down like honey on your face. The gentle breeze touched your hair with the hush of a secret being told. We sat beneath a tree. There was something sacred in the quiet. As we stood there, hand in hand, the world seemed to slow. I don't remember when it began or how it ended. Just that for once, the world felt peaceful.